like the way QA Touch integrates with our existing tools like Jira. So we are able to use QA Touch right within Jira, even we do not have to leave Jira at all. Kind of gives you a whole integrated experience. You can also report bugs through QA Touch to Jira. So I think that integration makes things a lot more easier, and also to onboard the testers and others in our organization.
So when we started the POC with QA Touch, right, the most liked feature for me was importing of test cases. Actually, because initially everything was in our Google Sheets and all, which was very hard for us to manage. And to report also, it was very difficult to show Excel sheets on the test results. So when we did POC on QA Touch, it was easy for us to import the test cases, which we already had. We had like 1,000 plus test cases for every features, every releases. So it was easy to import the test cases with minimal efforts from our side. So that helped us a lot in QA Touch.
I personally like the reusable test steps and test cases, which reduces a lot of redundancy, it reduces a lot of repetition of the same steps again and again. I feel that is a time saver. I personally like that feature a lot.
Whenever we get to a blocker or any issues which you feel like it could be a good add-on from QA Touch, we simply request that and we back it up, and they understand that this is good and this can be done. And they also give the ETA like by when we can expect that features, which is really transparent. And definitely what Gagana has mentioned, we always get the mail and the notifications we have released. So definitely good.
Listening to their customers and trying to constantly improve, showing empathy to the customers, and also I think we have influenced QA Touch roadmap many times. The features we have requested have been rolled out.
And using QA Touch, it has helped us in sending reports also. We can directly attach the test run results, releases results and all.
The primary reason why we moved to QA Touch was because of lack of support from the previous vendor. So I think that is one area where QA Touch excels. We always have got exceptional support. Whenever we had questions, queries, or even issues, I think we have got quick resolutions, which makes, I think, QA Touch stand out from many other tools.
We have really liked using QA Touch till now. So most of all our releases are going via QA Touch. We upload test cases in QA Touch. We are running test runs, releases and all.
When we did this POC, we were researching multiple tools. So what we found out was there were two kinds of tools in the market. So one were kind of open source, but they were pretty much outdated and lacked the features we need. The other half were though they were modern, we found some modern test case management tools, but they were way too expensive for what they offered. So I think QA Touch brought that nice balance, rightly priced and was feature rich. Exactly something that we were looking for.